With the macOS 27, we have a few significant updates, and these are the 5 updates I absolutely love. Let's start with the smaller ones and make our way to the best one. The first thing I really love is you can actually change the transparency of this liquid glass, which makes the text a lot more readable. For this, you can just go to settings. To change the transparency, you have to go to appearance and settings. So here you can see we have appearance, and in appearance at the top we have light, dark and auto, which is the older setting, but now the newer setting is that you can actually change the transparency of the liquid glass, and I really like it because I would like it to be a bit more frosted or a bit less transparent. So that is great. Apart from that, you can obviously change the theme, and now you can also change it to a darker mode or a clear mode or a tinted mode if you so like it. A very small thing, but it goes a long way. Then we have the new spotlight search, and if I press continue over here after pressing command plus space, you can see we have spotlight search. It may not be available right away on your device like it is on mine. I don't really have it right now, but what does it do? It actually makes the indexing better. So in indexing, it will scan all your documents, all your files, all your applications, and once you type in whatever you want, you can just look for it. For example, you can even type in show me that email that my boss sent last week, and it will just pop up, and that is just great. And this essentially enables hundreds of commands with Siri. At number 3, we have a faster OS. This OS is now more optimized. The CPU is now more optimized, so no matter what you open, so even the minimization animation is actually more animated, more fluid, and that just makes for a much better experience in the long term. It is just so much more fluid. Then we have the main thing, which is Siri. Here you can see we have the Siri, but this Siri again is not available on my Mac yet. As of this moment, I'm running the developer beta for macOS 27, and as you can see, the new Siri, I've joined the wait list, and I hope I get it soon. But what can this Siri do? This Siri actually makes your life a lot more easier. Now Apple has worked with Google with their Gemini, and basically all those functions are now in your Mac, but better because it is baked into the OS. So Siri can now actually take examples from your screen. For example, if you like something that you want to eat and want a recipe of, you can just ask Siri for it. So it is just Google Lens but with Siri now baked into your OS, and that is just so good. Siri is now contextual, and with that I mean that it is able to know what is on your screen, and from that screen, let's say you activate Siri and ask her something about it, it actually knows what you're asking about. So the data that is provided is actually relevant to what you're asking, which was not available in the previous OS versions. It just forgot what you were asking about and had no idea what was going on, in my opinion. Siri can now also compare documents. So if I am to open my Finder and compare these two documents, for example, so I don't have to actually go to, let's say, my chat GPT and ask it to make a comparison. I can just select these two documents and ask Siri about it, and it will give me a comparison right away. I don't have to do much else. So it's a lot fewer steps. And apart from that, Siri also now has memory. So with this memory, you can just ask her questions maybe sometime in the future, maybe 10 minutes later. If you ask her about this comparison again, it is going to know what you're asking about. And then we also have the natural language processing. For me, the shortcuts app just sucked. I never really liked it, and that is why I never really used it. I just did my things manually. I never created a shortcut. You can even see there are no shortcuts on this MacBook. But now I can just ask Siri to create a shortcut. If I am leaving from my office to my wife, who is waiting at home, every time I leave the office, it's going to send a message right away. So this works on iOS as well as your MacBook. Let's say you own a company, and every time you are about to leave the office, you want an email to go out about asking what has been done in the day. That can be automated. Every time you leave the office, an email will be sent out to your employees saying, hey, what's the update for today? And that's much easier, and that's very nice, very smart. Because before, shortcuts was just too complicated, hundreds of things that you needed to worry about. Now I don't have to do any of it. I just have to ask Siri to do it and then edit a few things on my own, but that is about it. What do you think about the new Mac OS? Please let me know in the comments, and make sure to subscribe.